It's so slippery. Annyeonghaseyo from Korea. Welcome to Next Matcha. I've lived in Korea for nearly half my life, and every week I cook a new Korean dish. This week I'm making acorn jelly. For our acorn jelly, we need this acorn powder. So we've taken acorns, ground them up, and turned it into powder. Ooh. We're going to use this powder, and that's going to make acorn jelly, and then I'll show you a couple of different ways to prepare. Let's begin. Here's our acorn powder, and we're going to take this powder and use it to make the jelly. There's a few different things you can do with acorn jelly. You can just serve it as it is with a sort of soy sauce based sauce on top, or actually what I'm going to do is make a salad. Let's see. The trick with these is to stab it with your thing like this. Perfect. You've got to have seasoning with it. Acorn jelly is very bland if you just have it by itself, so mixing it with this beautiful seasoning is the way to do it, with fresh vegetables and lots of good flavor. Let's try some of this. Oh, I could eat that all day. So healthy. This is great diet food right here. Highly recommend you give it a try. Great vegetarian option, and of course you could add meat to it and it'd be perfectly fine as well. Hope you're having a great day. Enjoy your cooking and 안녕히 계세요. See ya. It's so slippery. Ah.